My name is Henry Tessman. I'm the general manager here at Great Wolf Lodge, New England. We just hit our 5th year and pretty excited about the growth and progress we've had here in New England. So we see about 650,000 people a year that come through the doors. On an average day, we'll see about 2,000 to 3,000 people in the building. Our busiest time of the year is typically any time children are out of school. Our mission is to bring joy to families, and that's what we do every day. Prior to New England opening back in 2007, Great Wolf started Project Green Wolf. They started with different recycling programs. They started with some LED projects back then, as well as low-flow shower heads and kind of the beginning of all that. Since then, we've really focused on much bigger projects. Over the last couple of years, most of our sustainability projects have been on the energy side.
Dalkia Energy Solutions is a company that provides energy efficiency and on-site generation to help customers reduce their energy consumption and save money. The hospitality sector tends to have an always-on mentality. What we try to do with our energy projects is install controls to match actual energy usage with occupants patterns and how many guests are in the hotel. We're also looking for things that might impact guest comfort. We started working with Great Wolf Lodge back in the spring of 2017. Great Wolf New England was one of the first sites we went to. One of the issues that came to light was the temperature in the lobby in the middle of winter in New England. When you're coming out of the water park, you really want the ideal temperature so it's not too cold for the guests. We installed a new building management control system to maintain ideal temperatures in the lobby. Dalkia Aegis Energy got involved early on with Great Wolf Lodge of New England. Utility rates are extremely high in New England, and CHP is one of the most impactful projects you can do to your carbon footprint.
The combined heat and power plant reduced dependency on the grid by producing power on site. During high usage periods, we're able to shave the peak electric demand for the facility and reduce their energy charges as a result. Dalkia monitors the combined heat and power plant 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to ensure the plant is operating correctly and maximizing energy savings for Great Wolf Lodge.
With the CHP, as we were testing it through the winter, getting it ready, it was about 10 degrees below zero outside, and we were running the CHP and my boilers in the water park were off. So that was the big eye-opener right then, that the CHP should make us much more efficient through this coming winter.
Soon after we began working with Great Wolf Lodge, their senior leadership got behind the idea of energy efficiency and challenged us to work as fast as possible and to identify large, impactful projects for our whole program. Within 1 year, we installed projects at 10 lodges that would save $1.3 million annually and reduce the carbon footprint of the company by 10%.
All of the energy projects that we've put in place over the last 2 years will help us be more efficient, help my engineers run the parks better. I think in general, guests are always looking at companies and places that focus on energy savings, so I think that's a big benefit for them as well.
We view our partnership with Great Wolf Lodge as a long-term partnership where we're going to continue working to reduce their carbon footprint and act as their energy partner.